In this video, I will show you how to download a text transcript from a YouTube video. To begin, find your YouTube video. And right below the video, you will see 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots to open the transcript. You will see the text transcript show up here on the right-hand side. Sometimes the transcript is edited by the author for accuracy, and sometimes it is automatically generated. Select the text in the text box. Copy it, and paste it into an Excel spreadsheet. Here you will see that the timestamps are still included. To remove those, highlight your column, click Find and Select, and click Replace. In the Find and Replace box, type in *:**, and that will select all of the timestamps. Click Find All. Highlight all of the selections, click Delete, and click Replace All. You can now close the Find and Replace box. From here, you will want to delete all of the blank rows. Click on Delete and delete sheet rows. You now have a clean transcript to work from. Scroll to the bottom of the text and highlight only the rows with your transcript text. Click Copy and paste this text into a Word document. From here, you can make additional edits, like enlarging the text, making any grammatical changes, and so forth. Save your Word document. In Moodle, you can now add your transcript file. Find your video, click Edit Settings, add some text to create a link, click on the link, and upload your file. Your text transcript is now available. In addition to embedding your transcript on a page in Moodle, you can also upload it as a file. Click Add an Activity or Resource, File, and add your file.